What's so cool about manufacturing? Supply chains.
My name is Jack Funder. I'm CEO of the Manufacturers Resource Center here in the Lehigh Valley. Our mission is to help make small and medium-sized manufacturers more competitive.
3 area schools, the Bethlehem Area Vocational-Technical School, the Career Institute of Technology, and the Carbon Career and Technical Institute are all working together to create a supply chain.
I'm standing here today at BAVTS in their precision machine shop. The final product is similar to what we did last year, which was a medallion that was made out of aluminum. The problem we had this year was that the needs are about 200 of them, and it was too much for one career and technical school to do.
The 3 technical high schools, however, have joined together for the first time in an effort to generate the medallions that are going to be given out as awards.
It's a realistic experience. They might be dealing with similar situations when they get out into industry. In many cases, a manufacturer won't do every step in completing a product. They're taking in something that another company started to make and doing one or many steps on it and then handing it off to another manufacturer to have another process done.
When students work on a project like this, they get to get the understanding of when we got to have something completed on time. I give them the job and I say, here's your deadline, here's what you got to make, show me what you got.
And if one school was doing all of the work, we would not be able to meet those deadlines for this project because we can be working on things simultaneously.
BAVTS is going to rough blank the part out of a piece of aluminum and put a number of holes in it.
What we do is when the bandsaw is done cutting a piece, we get a rough cut. So I just sand the edges down with it, put a little bit of a finish on it. And then from there, we send it over to the prototrack. And the prototrack, they drill the hole pattern in it.
From here, where the part's going to go to CIT in Easton.
So what we're doing here today is we're taking a blank that you guys have seen from BAVTS and we're turning it into medallions. Computer numerical controlled. We create a CNC program by writing G code.
The programmer or the student sits there and figures out what codes the machine needs and writes it down, and the machine can read that. Or we can use some special software which actually aids you in coming up with the codes that the machine needs to read.
And then send it to the last operation up in Carbon County.
The plate that we start with is a 12 by 12 sheet of aluminum. It's been anodized black. Basically all the machine is going to do is it's just going to come along, write out all of our letters, and then we're just going to have it come around, cut the circle out, and it's going to throw the part right out and wait for us to come get it.
The importance of us doing a supply chain and having the 3 schools involved is it shows the connectivity, the responsibility of each school, the sequential process that's necessary to actually manufacture the parts. So it's an excellent project all around.
It's definitely a unique experience because it's not something that's offered in regular schools.
There's always something to learn and something just to further your skills.
It's a really good trade to go into if you want to go into a trade because you can help out with really anything in the world.
If you want to learn more about what's so cool about manufacturing, check us out on our website, dreamitdoitpa.com, or on social media.